Hello friends, in this video I will be talking about the marginal cost of capital schedule and investment opportunity schedule used to find the optimal capital budget. Now what is MCC, marginal cost of capital? We have studied this. MCC is the additional cost incurred while raising additional capital. इसके पहले ही हमने एक MCC कर्व देखा था जो ऐसा कुछ तो भी था. It was upward sloping. Whenever I raise additional capital, my marginal cost of capital was increasing. Now MCC rule क्या है? So a company's MCC increases as additional capital is raised. This is what we studied in the last video. LOS K का part है. Even though this is LOS D, we have studied this earlier. Okay. तो ये MCC का रूल तो सेम रहेगा, बट देर इज समथिंग न्यू नाउ. इन्वेस्टमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटी शेड्यूल, IOS. Now what is IOS rule? When MCC increases, when your marginal cost increases, the returns on the company's investment opportunities will decrease as it makes additional investments. Meaning, what will happen? There is something known as marginal cost, and then there is something known as marginal return. What is marginal cost? Marginal cost is that cost which is incurred when we raise extra capital. Similarly, what is marginal return? Return earned on that part which is additionally invested. तो ये जो IOS का रूल है वो क्या बोलता है? When MCC is increasing, when my marginal cost of capital is increasing, my marginal returns are falling. That is what it is trying to say. Think from a Bania point of view. Now, if you are earning 100 and if your cost is 20, you earned 80. But अगर वो 100 में से आपका cost 25 हो गया, then you will earn 75. Earlier you had earned 80 and now you are earning 75. So very logical, if marginal cost increases, marginal revenue has to fall. And now what we are trying to find is the optimal capital budget. मतलब कि कितना ऑप्टिमल कैपिटल आपको रेज करके इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए. सो दैट विल बी MC इक्वल टू MR, विच इज अ बेसिक इकोनॉमिक कॉन्सेप्ट. दैट पॉइंट एट विच माई मार्जिनल कॉस्ट इज इक्वल टू मार्जिनल रेवेन्यू, मीनिंग व्हेन आई increase my capital, I am, let's say, incurring 2%, then that additional investment should also gain 2%. That is the meaning. Let's check the schedule so we can understand it better. Now this is the schedule. ये है MCC curve and ये है IOS का schedule. First rule क्या था? If you remember, whenever additional capital is being raised, the marginal cost will increase. So on x-axis is additional capital raised or additional investment made, whatever the case is. For MCC, we will check additional capital raised, and on the y-axis, now you can take cost or return depending on what you want to study. So let's say now we are considering marginal cost of capital, तो y-axis पे हम cost को consider करेंगे. Now why is it upward sloping? तो let's assume अगर additional capital इतना raise किया है तो cost would be this much. If additional capital is increased, let's say here, then my cost would also increase. So basically, whenever capital is increased, my marginal cost is increasing. That is why the upward slope. Now, if marginal cost is increasing, marginal revenue has to fall. Basically, if I raised $10 extra and let's say I am incurring a cost of 2%, then when I actually invest that $10, that extra $10, I should get 2%. That is optimal. तो अगर आपका cost increase हो रहा है, revenue कम होगा, but at some point your marginal cost will be equal to marginal revenue. I'll say this again. Why would be marginal cost and marginal revenue relevant? Repeating last sentence again. I'm saying this again. Why would MC and MR be so relevant? If I am raising extra capital, मेरा कुछ cost incur हुआ. Out of that extra capital, I will now invest, and then I got some extra return. So where my marginal cost is equal to my marginal revenue, at that point I should stop. meaning that is my optimal capital budget. That much capital I should raise and invest in my business. So this was MCC and iOS rule. Now, how do you make decisions using capital budgeting logic? तो डिसीजन मेकिंग का यही रूल है. If project's IRR, internal rate of return, is more than the company's marginal cost of capital, then you can accept the project. And if IRR, internal rate of return, is less than marginal cost of capital, तो उसको reject कर दो. Simple words में, if return is more than cost, go for the project. If return is less than the cost, you should reject the project. Did you notice decision making is similar to what we have studied in capital budgeting, which is accept the project if IRR was more than R. What was R here? R was required rate of return. तो सेम थिंग है, रिक्वायर्ड रेट ऑफ रिटर्न से आप देखो या मार्जिनल कॉस्ट ऑफ कैपिटल से देखो, अल्टीमेटली इट्स द सेम थिंग. So if IRR is more than R, which is required rate of return, or IRR is more than marginal cost of capital, whatever the case is, you have to accept the project. So this was marginal cost of capital and iOS schedule. So now, what are you expected to know in the exam? You are expected to know this relationship that if capital increases, marginal cost of capital increases. And when capital increases, investments are increasing and your marginal revenue will fall because your marginal cost is increasing. But at one point, MC will be equal to MR. Marginal cost and marginal revenue will be equal. At that point, you need to stop. That is your optimal capital budget. Raise that much capital, invest it so that your marginal cost and revenue are equal. This is all about marginal cost of capital and iOS schedule. Thank you for watching this video.